let's start with our word bank this morning, and I'll model for you. So we've got some students that weren't here last time, so we've got some new sounds. Short, A, apple, A.
Short, A, apple, A.
Nice job working together. Short, U, up, A.
Short, U, up, up.
Short, O, ox, ah.
Short, O, ox, ox.
OLT, colt, old.
OLT, colt, old.
OLD, gold, old.
OLD, gold, old.
ILD, wild, isled.
ILD, wild, isled.
Short E, ed, eh.
Short E, ed, ed.
Nice. Short I, itch, it.
Short I, itch, it.
OST, most, oast.
OST, most, oast.
Let's try that one more time. I want to hear everyone's voice. OST, most, oast.
OST, most, oast.
IND, kind, ind.
IND, kind,
Nice. Next time we'll see if you guys can do those on your own. All right, everyone, we're going to start on the left. We're going to review the division rule that we learned last session, so that will update anyone that wasn't here. Start on the left and name the vowels for me. Everyone? Name the vowels. Here are the vowels. E and
A.
how many consonants are in between?
3.
How many consonants are in between? Everyone?
2.
3.
3.
How many consonants are in between?
3.
3. Name them.
NCH.
Do you see a digraph?
Yes. Yes.
Name the digraph, everyone.
CH.
CH. What sound does CH make? Good. So where do we break? Between the, I need your eyes up here. Where do we break? Between the,
And then the C.
oh, I only hear a couple people. What's our division rule? The CH has to stay together. So where do we break, everyone? Between the,
And then the C.
yep, we're going to break right here between the N and the C. And you guys were here last week, so I need you to help with it, help them. Okay? Is this a closed syllable? I can see some nods. Is this a closed syllable?
Yes.
Why?
Because it has the consonant.
It has how many vowels?
One.
One vowel, and it's
Close
in at the end. Read this syllable.
And.
Read this syllable, everyone.
And.
N. Is this a closed syllable?
No.
Look at the rule of a closed syllable.
Yeah.
How many vowels are there?
1.
Is it closed in at the end by consonants?
Yes.
Is this a closed syllable?
Yes.
Read this syllable.
Chant.
Read this syllable, everyone.
Chant.
Elbows up. There we go. There are your morning voices. Here we go. Eyes on the word. Scoop and read.
Chant.
Oh, let's try it together. N,
Chant.
whole word,
Chant.
and chant. So that division rule is that that digraph has to stay together. So we divide between there. Eyes here. Here's a good word. We want to make sure to not do this to our friends as we're working. Start on the left and name the vowels. Start on the left and name the vowels. Everyone?
I-A.
And how many consonants are in between?
3.
Name them.
S-T-R.
This is a new division rule. When there are 2 vowels separated by 3 consonants, we have to decide where to break a word into syllables within those 3 consonants. A blend blend, this is something different. A blend is two or more consonants next to each other, making its own sound. This is a hard one because ST, st, and TR, t, are blends. When breaking up a word, blends stay together. A blend more often will begin a syllable than end a syllable. So in this word, the TR blend stays together. So we're going to break between the S, eyes right here, and the T. We're going to break right there. Is this a closed syllable?
Yes.
Is this a closed syllable, everyone?
Yes.
Read this syllable.
This.
Is this a closed syllable?
Yes.
Let's show tapping, everyone. Let's tap this. Let's review tapping for these guys. Remember, tapping is each sound gets a tap, and only one finger can touch. Do you ladies think you get separated, or are you okay? You're okay?
Yeah.
Let's tap it. Ready? Eyes right here. Let's tap it. What's this syllable? Tracks. That's a tough one because it has a lot of blends in it. Let me show you how to tap this and we'll try it again. You try it. Ready? Tracked. Elbows up. Let's scoop and read. Ready? Elbows up. Scoop and read. Ready? Whole word? Distract. You don't want to distract your friends while you're learning new things, do you? Okay. So let's name some other blends. We saw that TR was a blend, ST. What are some other blends? Two letters that go together. What other blends do you know? Uh-huh. You're on the right track. And what? And D. So blends can only be consonants. And D is another blend. PL, DR, SP. Those are some other examples of blends. So these two consonants are together, but they're making separate sounds. So this is going to say tr, st, and sp. But here, these digraphs, they only make one sound. We don't say k, do we? We say ch. We don't say s, we say sh. But here we hear tr. Do you see the difference between the two? Blends and digraphs? Yeah? Does that make sense? Okay. Let's try another word. We'll see if we can identify some more. Blends. Start on the left, this side, and name the vowels. Ready, everyone?
O and E.
Let me hear everyone's important voice. I hear some great voices. Ready?
O, E.
How many consonants are in between?
3.
Name them.
M, P, L.
Nice job. Do you see a blend?
Yes,
Everybody, what's the blend?
P, L.
So where are we going to break? Between the?
M and P.
Nice job. Let me hear everybody. Between the?
M and P.
M and the P. So say both letters, okay? M and P. Elbows up. Eyes on the word. Let's scoop and read.
Complex.
Whole word?
Complex.
If something is complex, is it easy or is it hard?
Hard.
Everybody, if something's complex, is it easy or hard?
Hard.
It's really hard. Start on the left and name the vowels. Everyone?
A, U.
Nice job. How many consonants are in between?
3.
Name them.
N, T, R.
Let me hear everyone's important voice.
N, T,
Do you see a blend?
Yes. TR.
Nice job. The blend is TR. So where are we going to break? Between the
And T.
Here we go. Elbows up. Let's skip and read. Eyes on the word.
Tantrum.
Whole word?
Tantrum.
You don't have a tantrum anymore, do you? A tantrum? If you start crying and throwing a fit because you don't get your way, like a toddler will often throw a tantrum. Good question. Start on the left and name the vowels. Everyone?
I-A.
Name the vowels. Remember, these are the vowels. Let's name them again. Ready?
I-A.
How many consonants are in between?
2.
Name them.
M-E.
Now we know this division rule. Where are we going to divide? If we only have, we have 2 vowels separated by 2 consonants, where do we divide? Between the?
MP.
Between where, everyone?
MP.
Yep, we're going to divide right between those 2 consonants. Elbows up. Let me hear your wonderful reading voices. Scoop and read.
Impact.
Whole word?
Impact.
So if you make an impact in someone's life, it means you make a difference in their life. And when 2 cars collide, that's called impact also. So impact has different meanings. Last word. Start on the left and name the vowels.
E-A.
How many consonants are in between? Everyone, how many consonants are in between?
2.
In between.
2.
Name them.
SP.
So what's our rule? Where are we going to divide, everyone? Between the? Eyes here. Where are we going to divide? Between the?
SP.
SP. Elbows up. Scoop and read.
Trespass.
Whole word?
Trespass.
If you trespass, that means you go on someone's property when you shouldn't be there. Sorry, this is our last word. Ooh, it's a big one. Start on the left and name the vowels.
I-U. I-U.
How many consonants are in between?
4.
Name them.
I-S-T-R.
Start here and name them. Ready?
N-S-T-R.
Okay. When 2 vowels are separated by 4 consonants, S, T, and R is a 3-letter blend. So we can add it right here. STR is a 3-letter blend that commonly stays together. So in this word, we're going to divide right here. Ready? Elbows up. Scoop and read. Whole word? Instruct means to teach.
We're gonna have a test.
Okay.
Well, you guys are gonna grab your notebooks and any extras, and we're gonna just head real quick to
Pause.
another room.